on, guys? It's Noah here, back out at the park for another Maiden video. Today, of course, we have the FT Bushwacker, as you can see right here, and it's a little bit breezy. I don't know if the audio is picking that up, but I think it's going to still fly just a little consistent, probably 5-mile-per-hour breeze or so. I'm really kind of anxious to fly this thing because I've had some good experiences. I've also had some bad experiences. I made sure I'm overly nose heavy because I've had a tail heavy issue with this plane. The CG is somewhat improperly marked, so I gave it about a 1/4 inch buffer forward and added some additional nose weight. So I think we're going to be good to go. Let's go ahead, plug everything in, and get to the Maiden. Alright, so it's time to get this thing in the air. I went ahead and dumbed down my rates a little bit just because this is a maiden flight after all, but I'm excited to do it. Let's go right into the wind, get some altitude, and figure it out from there. And we are up in the air. It's very touchy on the pitch axis. Gotta roll back my rates a little bit. But she's flying and there's no absence of power on this thing. I'm really happy with it. There is your aileron rolls. This is 80% aileron. I really love this plane. If you guys couldn't tell when I was building it, I was just talking about all of the memories that I've had with it. It's a great little 3D plane. Has a lot of authority, as you can see. There's a double barrel roll in like half a second. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. My wing just came off. Holy cow. All right, that was crazy. That's not how you should want your maidens to go, but let's go ahead and check out the damage here. I'm gonna go grab the wing. Wing is in good shape for the most part. Looks like we ripped out a servo extension there. And our landing gear came off. That's not too bad. Could be worse. Some of our nose weight came out, obviously broke the prop. That's not an issue. Other than that, I mean, we are in pretty good condition. That's unfortunate. Let's clean up my mess I made. But it does look like our servo did not rip off completely. That is good to hear. It was flying really nicely. Probably was just the wind there, but thankfully, as you can see, there's no major issues with this plane, so we can go ahead and repair it and get it back up in the air here pretty soon. That was kind of crazy. Wow. All right, I guess that's it for this video. I mean, it did fly and it flew respectably for the time it was in the air. Got to go ahead and reinforce, maybe not use dry rotted rubber bands in the future. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.